Welcome to the HyperWorks 2023 Tips and Tricks video series. This video contains a number of tips and tricks about direction definition for HyperMesh 2023. It is intended to be complementary to the respective video from the playlist HyperWorks 2023 Introduction Basic Handling. More tips and tricks videos exist, one for each video of that playlist. You can turn unwanted snaps off permanently, bottom right, or press the Alt key to deactivate them temporarily. In the Move tool, alignment to global axes, to part orientation and to local systems are available as options. Hold the Shift key while dragging the origin of the Move tool to place it independently. Alternatively, double-click on the origin. In the Move tool, by clicking on an arrow, then switching to the Vector tool, you can choose two nodes to specify the direction, and then use the distance between the nodes as amount to move by. To orient the Vector tool, you can hold Ctrl pressed, then click on Snap Locations or Entities to set origin, direction, and plane orientation. You can switch the Move tool from interactive to position, to define precise positioning operations by selecting 1, 2, or 3 nodes per source and target position. We hope you found some useful tips and tricks in this video. Think of the additional videos available on YouTube, and also visit us on community.altair.com. Thanks for watching.